First, I'm going to start by soaking my chickpeas for about an hour or so, and I'll be back. Now the chickpeas have soaked and doubled in size, and I'm just going to rinse them out and place them into the pressure cooker. Now I've added them into the pressure cooker, and I'm just going to add a bit of water and switch on the pressure cooker. I'm going to let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now my chickpeas are cooked, and I'm just going to drain them. Now place the dried chickpeas in there, then add a little bit of olive oil, smoked paprika, just a teaspoon, oregano, a little bit of cayenne pepper for that kick, and Himalayan salt. Coat the chickpeas. I decided to add a bit of onion powder and cumin. Place the chickpeas on a baking tray. Spread out and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Now my chickpeas are ready and roasted. You can add these to your salads. They're so great. They taste so nice. There you have it. Roasted chickpeas. You may add these to your salads, or you may just munch on them as they are. So delicious. The crunch.